Hi, welcome to Inkscape for Science Teachers. In this video I'll be showing you how to use a pre-written Inkscape file that I've created to assemble science apparatus. Now it's only a limited set of equipment that I've drawn at the moment, but I'm open to requests if people want extra things, or perhaps teachers could draw some extra bits of apparatus themselves. I'll scroll over and show you the file, mouse wheel and control to zoom out. And there's the basic set of equipment that I've started with. Now I'll show you how to manipulate things, a little bit of basic Inkscape tuition I guess. There's the heatproof mat, Control C and come over and Control V where you want that. If you want a retort stand or a tripod, click on that, Control C, Control V. On the retort stand, Control C, Control V. I'm not putting in the exact positions, just getting them roughly right. It might be a Florence flask, I think it's called. Control C, Control V. And I need a wire mat, which I haven't got there because I've copied it, or not copied it. I'll click that one if I zoom in. Control C, and I'll include that in the set over here, Control V. So now I can come back and Control V there, put it in. Thermometer, click on that, Control C, Control V. Bunsen burner, click on that, Control C, Control V. And let's just zoom in and put some of this together more correctly. Just click and drag in Inkscape, but roughly there. Bunsen burner, perhaps here. See it's unlit because I only selected the Bunsen burner. Put the stand perhaps there. Heatproof mat, flask, leave little gaps. Click that and drag it across a bit perhaps. Thermometer there, and you can see that's in front of the clamp. What you can do is click on something and send it to the back here, and there it goes. So you can see it's pretty quick to use to draw a science diagram, and that would help students have trouble with their artistic ability. I'd be one of those, but Inkscape perhaps opens up a possibility for them to do some superb diagrams and also draw their own once they get a bit more familiar with Inkscape. Just to show you the Bunsen burner flame over here, how it's separate. If I click on that, Control C, and then, well that's my other one, here, zoom in, Control V, so Control V, and drag it into position. I mean if you wanted to get fancy, I know this isn't the point, but you can Control click on that, and give it a colour if you wish. It would be blue, wouldn't it? So, but anyway, what else? Just to show you how you can manipulate bits and pieces. If, for example, well, let's come back over here and copy something. Let's click the retort stand, Control C, and I'll Control V to paste one here. It's actually a group of different shapes, so I can Control U to ungroup. And it might be that I wish to drag this in a bit shorter, so drag it into there, and you can click on that part and drag it as well, and you can manipulate things that way. Sometimes it's if you click on the stand itself or Control click to select a sub part. I've already ungrouped, so I don't have to control click. If I hadn't ungrouped, I can Control click to pick individual parts. I'll click on that, and if I want to drag that up a bit, I can do that as well. So you can change, even over here, the base. You might think I'll widen that, but look what happens, you get the wider vertical bit as well, Control Z. With something selected, press N for the node tool, and you can select individual nodes. So if I select those two nodes and then just drag one of them across, you can then manipulate. So that's a handy hint for Inkscape. I think I'll leave it there, and I'll make a link to this file in the video description, so that you can distribute that to students as long as you've got Inkscape, which is free and available from inkscape.org for app download. I think I'll leave it there. Once again, thanks for watching.